Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're all having a great week so far. Today I'm going to be sharing this page I made a couple days ago from my 2019 album, just from another Disney trip, of course. So let's get into it. So this page is mostly focusing on our time in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, which is like a new land in Hollywood studios. It's all like Star Wars themed, very cool, very well themed, very immersive. So we had a lot of fun there. I'm kind of drawing some oranges from that picture from the bar we were at, and some blue from that upper right hand photo. I'm not in love with the coloring I did on that bottom left hand photo, just because it's like kind of pinkish and random, but it's okay, we'll deal with it. I've picked a 4x6 card for the upper left hand corner. It just kind of has like these squiggles, they kind of just remind me of a map, and I thought that looked cool and kind of matched the theme. And that lower right hand card I'm gonna bring to the middle there. I just liked the shapes of I guess they're like half circles, and just like the darker blues, a little something different than the usual like sky blue, bright blue that I'm usually drawn to. So next I'm going to be going in with these Amy's Tangerine letter stickers that I've been using a lot lately. They're kind of see-through, kind of like a vellum material, and I just thought that these would work really well for this page. They're really bold, really easy to read. I don't really like alphabets that it's like you're trying to figure out what it says. The cleaner the better for me personally. So I'm just going to grab these orange alphabets. Each, I think, color has two different shades of it, like a lighter and a darker one, and I don't have any more of the like all the bright ones or all the dark or all the lighter ones, so I'm just gonna kind of mix and match. I thought that looked kind of cool, but you'll see that I try to whenever I use alphabet stickers, I try to make sure I have every single letter that I need, but sometimes it just kind of doesn't happen, and you'll see in a little bit. I ran out of ends, I think, and I had already like put down all of these stickers, and it's gonna say bright sun, so it's like toward the end of the phrase already, and I had already done so much work and lined them up already, so I was trying to figure out what color would work best. I ended up going for a gray one, and I think it actually looked kind of cool, and it worked well for the page. So yeah, always check your letters, but if not, there's always a fix, and if you don't care if they match or not, then it's even easier. And I've mentioned these rulers before, this like really thin, thicker ruler that I'm using. It actually comes in a set of 5. They're meant for aligning your alphabet stickers and stuff. And there's one straight one, which I'm using now, and the other 4 have like different curves and stuff like that. So I don't know if they're still available. I'll try to link them down below, but I love these so much, and I feel like I would be lost without them. If they're not available, of course, you can also just use any kind of straight plastic flat thing. I used to use, because I kind of lost these when I moved and I couldn't find them for a few months, I was just using the plastic containers for like stamps or embellishments and stuff, just like the outer part, and just lining things up that way, and that works too. But yeah, I love these so much. I wanted to make sure I got this nice and straight, so I just taped it down with some washi tape as well. And yeah, I thought it looked really cool, so I really kind of love that. So as you saw, I just kind of went through some stamps and picked out stuff to use later on. I'm going to go in with a few stickers now. This sticker sheet is from Everyday Explorers, which I forgot I had. I'm so bad at just like putting stuff away and forgetting that they exist, which is also why I'm constantly rearranging my space to remind myself of different supplies that I have. But yeah, so I found these. I thought the kind of, is it like a pastel aqua color? I don't know. I thought that matched well with the other blue tones in the page, so I just threw some, they're like little arrows on the bottom of that picture from the bar we're at. And then now I'm just trying to decide on an alphabet. I love this alphabet from Studio Calico from, I don't even know, like 5-6 years ago. A lot of my stuff is from 5-6 years ago, so I'm sorry I can't like really link them directly because they just don't make them anymore. But I love these. They're so clean and really easy to read, but then halfway I realized I don't have enough letters, or I think it was just too big for the picture. So I ripped them off, threw them back on the sticker sheet, and I found these Kelly Perky stickers that I also really love. Really simple gray, and then halfway through when I was putting that down, I realized I didn't have the letters for that. As you can see from the sticker sheet, this has happened to me multiple times. I wish I had another set of these. I used to be on Kelly Perky's design team, so I have so many of her alphabets, and this is just one of them that I don't have multiple copies of. So you'll see I'm just about to, or I might have already, yeah, I ripped it off. I had like Disney on there first, and then I changed it, I don't know. But yeah, so changed it to that, looks good, like it, works fine. So I feel like this is a pretty busy page to begin with, just looking at the photos. So I'm just trying to go really simple with the rest of the embellishments. I found these label stickers from Studio Calico. I think it's from last year's Christmas. I can't speak English today. It's Christmas collection, I think. And I just threw a date on there. Really simple, hand-drawn, super cute. And now I'm going through some of my social paper plan stamps. She had sent me some of her Star Wars ones that she released back in May, so I thought they were perfect for this page, obviously. I am personally not a big Star Wars fan. My Star Wars knowledge is very limited, and my husband loves Star Wars, so he thought the land was really cool. I thought it was cool just from like a theming perspective, and I just love when Disney really comes out with like new lands or rides and stuff like that. So I thought it was super cool. Not a big Star Wars fan, but if you are heading to Disney World and you're not a big Star Wars fan, I'm sure you will still think that this place is so cool, because it's just, what they did was just awesome and I just love it. So yeah, so I found this Lightsaber Stamp, and I'm just gonna go ahead and stamp that in that empty space on top, that top right hand photo. And then I'm just going to do some journaling on that later on, which you'll see. Just throwing some journaling on here, talking about how we hung out at Galaxy's Edge for the first time. We went to this really cool bar that they have there called Oga's Cantina, and it's so cool. I love Disney because all of the restaurants are always well themed, and then like all the bartenders there were like super in character, and it was like really interactive and fun, and the drinks were really good too. So if you're heading down to Disney anytime soon, I would definitely recommend going there, but also get a reservation because it's very hard to get in. But yeah, this wouldn't really be a process video of a Disney page if I wasn't sprinkling in some random Disney tips. So apologies, but not really. So I'm just journaling right on this photo. I do have a question for you guys. If you do journaling on pictures, what's your favorite pen to use? The photo paper I'm writing on is just like a matte photo paper, so just let me know. I always have trouble with pens for write on photo paper. I feel like it always either smears or just doesn't last, so just let me know down in the comments what you guys use. I'm starting to finish off this page. I'm using these word strips from a Heidi Swapp sticker pack. It just says living our best life because that is exactly what we were doing at 10 o'clock in the morning at a bar in Disney World. So can't beat that. And then I have these Studio Calico chipboard star stickers, which I'm going to just pop out. I really like the gray because it just kind of goes with everything, and I thought it really matched this page really well. So I'm just going to add that to that bottom right hand card, which unfortunately you can't really see, so sorry. Just kind of, I think I had like empty space in the far corner of it, so I just wanted to add something there and just fill it up. And then I'm just going to cut off the edges. I really like putting embellishments down so that they're kind of just falling off the page, if that makes sense. I think it looks really cool, and it's interesting to look at, so that's why I always do that. And we're pretty much done with this page. Detail shots are coming in just a second. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about anything I showed you guys in this video. Subscribe to me on YouTube if you haven't already. I post videos once a week, and follow me on Instagram for more updates and more crafting things. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.